Introduction to Film Editing. Welcome to the world of film editing. In cinema, editing, also called montage, is more than cutting scenes or adding effects. It is the process of selecting and organizing visual and audio material to create meaning, emotion, and rhythm. Editing controls time, space, and the viewer's perception. A single edit can compress hours into seconds, shift emotions, or change the entire narrative. Editing is not just technical, it is creative, psychological, and in this course, we will learn editing as both a craft and a language. Let's begin. This lesson is complete. Next, editing types: linear, non-linear, and experimental.
You free, you are the story. Welcome to FilmCC. Cinema guiding, dreams deciding, watch to earn, the stars aligning. One frame, one vote, your stake, your say, you shape the films.